Welcome back to another episode of Bonnie's Keto Kitchen, where we're going to be making Chick-Fil-A chicken biscuits. Now, in the previous video, I made the keto biscuits, which are so spectacular, and I swear if you just add a couple of things, it'll taste like Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay biscuits. Just saying. But we're moving on to the Chick-Fil-A chicken biscuits. First off, what you want to do is thaw out some chicken breasts or chicken tenders, and then put them in pickle juice, and you want to let them marinate for about an hour or possibly overnight. One thing that I didn't realize was that it almost looks like it cooked the chicken. So interesting. I'm getting some of this spice mixture and everything from Low Carb Love. By the way, I'm halving this recipe just because I only have 2 tenders. Okay, so this is a half a cup of almond flour. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of powdered sweetener, a half a teaspoon paprika, teaspoon pepper, a half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to take a little bit of avocado oil, and I'm just going to do it to coat the pan. Okay, it does say to pat dry the chicken once you get it out of the pickle juice, so that's what I did. And then I also scrambled up an egg for the coating mixture, and y'all know the drill. Cook 2 to 4 minutes each side. Okay, that did not go as planned because some of the breading came off, and I was doing other things and they kind of got burned, but we all know what I do, right? Burn's my middle name. Hopefully the taste is there. Come to think of it, I knew I should have used my easy pork rind recipe thing for chicken tenders and just done it that way. Note to self.
But I had to cut the chicken because it was so big for the biscuits. But the biscuits are fantastic. But let's just see if the taste is there. Oh my word. Even with that horrendousness, that is a Chick-fil-A chicken biscuit. Do those exact seasonings. Put a roller to some pork rinds, I'm telling you. Do the air fryer bit, or even try to attempt to put them in avocado oil, but I'm guaranteeing you that the breading won't stick. But with all of that said, this is fantastic. It's gotta be from that pickle juice marination, I'm telling you what. Side note for all of those dirty keto people out there, if you like Chick-fil-A sauce, this tastes just like it. But it has soybean oil and modified food starch, so it's not good for strict keto people. If you haven't seen the keto biscuit recipe, I'll put it up here. Y'all, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. I'll see you guys next time.